Time goes so quickly. It's, believe it or not, already been a year since my beautiful Teddy the vlogging cat passed away at almost 22 years old. And I sure do miss her. On the positive side, it's now also been a year since I made that big vlog with my friend Gary. And some of you, very few of you, may have seen the whole video, but there's one part that I guess that most people switched off before we came to it. And that's the part I like to call the precision drone flying. Now, personally, I've never seen two drones flying in such close proximity. We had fun that day, so I thought I'd give you a flashback of that, and if you haven't seen it, I hope you get a laugh out of it too. If you want to stick around to the end, I'll show you some little clips that weren't designed for YouTube of recently when I was testing out my third drone, my new drone, down at the local park with the help of Gary. The links will be in the description below to the longer vlog that Gary and I did. Alright, well, let's go fly some drones.
All right, let's do it.
Let's do it.
We didn't move anything, so we didn't look nothing else behind, did we?
Nah.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Oh, hello, Gary's drone.
Oh, g'day, Mr. Mack. What you doing up there?
Oh, I'm just having a fly.
I think I might fly over the fucking top of you.
Well, don't do that, that's rude. Why would you do that? I'll tell you
I
what,
shouldn't have said that, should I?
it's okay. I'll tell you what, let's fly over here.
Okay.
Let's
Off
go.
you go. I'm going to follow you.
Okay, here we go.
Shit, I'm not recording.
Takes 50. Hang on then. Well, hang on, we'll do a take two. Alright, we'll do that one again.
Nah, finish it.
Hey, don't go away, Gary. Go away.
Yeah, hold on.
Well, wouldn't you know it, here we are flying our drones, and we've got someone coming along and come and check us out. So this is Brock. Say good day.
Yeah, hey, how are you? Just noticed the guys flying the drone when I was on the ferry over here, so I thought I'd pop in, see what was going on, give them a bit of a follow and keep up to date with them.
And that's very good advice. I think everyone should do
Yeah,
that.
it's good. It's nice to watch the local photographers and videographers and everything. You've got to support the local boys, you know. You get a lot of the nice shots.
We do a lot of local stuff.
Yeah, exactly. Well, you know it's the best spot because you're local. You know how to get the shots, all that sort of thing. So it's always good to see.
There's a lot of fairy stuff on my videos.
That's I love it. I normally, when I'm on it, I normally get a Snapchat as I'm going over the water and everything like that. So it's just a nice little spot. I got one the other day in the rain. It was a nice little video, just cruising over in the car. So it's a good spot.
Well, you never know who you're going to meet when you're out vlogging.
That's it.
Good man. Thanks, mate.
No, no problem.
Hey, guess what? I got a bit of prop wash. It went.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds.
Yeah, I think so.
Landing.
No, it's
Critically low battery.
just told me it's critically low now. But I'll
Landing.
Yeah.
Landing.
Oh, well, that was fun, Gary.
It was, Steve. I enjoyed that.
Tell you what, let's head back to my place for a cuppa.
Done deal.
Let's
Let's
go.
do it.
Look how liquid this tar is down at the Mole Ferry, right next to the Popeye the dog. But anyway, back to the liquid tar. Come on. Cool.
Go, Popeye.
Whoop,
What'd you do?
hit the wrong one. I think.
It's still doing it. It's still doing it.
It's still doing it. That's just bloody height.
It's trying to orbit almost directly above it now.
Can you override it or not?
Yeah,
The
you can.
height.
So I said you can override
I
it.
can't get it to go higher.
There it is. Going up by now. Look, that stick's height.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, I'm with you. Okay.
Yeah, try tracking.
Alright. That's interesting, eh? Exit mode, confirm.
Bring you down.
Alright.
Get your camera up.
So, I'll bring him back home.
Yeah, bring back down. We'll do a tracking. Don't know which Uncle's doing.
Quick shot it's called, eh?
Quick shots.
Okay.
Inside quick shots, there should be droney, I think. Come on. Come here. There you go, mate. Just, you hit the X and stop it. That's working fine now.
Yeah, alright.
There you go.
I think it's going to attack you. You told me to kill a drone, you bastard. Well, that's a bit abstract, isn't it?
It is a bit abstract. That's not how it's supposed to work.
There's a mode that they haven't even thought of yet.
Shit.
I know. Big shit.
I don't, this is weird, mate.
No shit. You wonder why I don't try these things.
How do we get out of this?
I don't know. He's coming towards us. Oh, okay.
Are we alright, are we?
Yeah. Look at that. So it's just going to spin round and round.
Yeah. There you go.
Can't be fucked. Well, it seems to work.
Yeah.
No idea how you did it, but it seems to work.
Just cancel it. Well, I'll go take you through it again. Just cancel it.
Alright, hang on. It's a nice little shot there.
And you can adjust all the measurements now. The altitude and the radius. See that?
Exodus mode. Alright.
Throw a box around me.
Alright.
And we'll go.
It's only locked the focus in so far, unless I've done it wrong. No, it's...
No, you can't do myself.
Do a tap.
No, draw a box around me. Not tap, draw a box around me. Go back to...
Oh, I see. Oh, I didn't... Well, hang on. What the fuck am I doing?
Yeah, just put your camera on, mate. I'll do it.
Yeah.
Just hold on. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know you could physically draw it with your finger. Like a tablet.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh. Oh, this might be... Oh, there you go. It's got me.
Is it?
Follow me. What?
If the screen was a bit brighter, it would help.
Just hold on a minute. I'll just start to move.
Nope, not doing it yet.
Come down closer to me. Okay, you draw a box around me. Go back into your active track or whatever it is, or follow me.
I haven't exited. Should I exit?
Okay, no, there we are. So just draw a box around me.
Well, hang on.
Apply.
Hang on, not there yet. Maybe just step that way a bit from way. Yes, otherwise it's got me in the box currently. You're right in front of me. No, hang on, it scrolls down.
Yeah, because you're scrolling on the screen, you're moving your finger on the screen.
How do I draw a box then?
What's going on?
Weird.
Let's go back.
Yeah.
How do you get follow? Oh, follow me. Oh, that's what it is, follow me. How do you get back to your... Why won't it apply? Oh, maybe the altitude's too low. That's autofocus. What the fuck?
The other mode worked fine, it's just to automatically put a box around it.
Oh, fly within an altitude range of... got to go up a bit. I don't know what the fuck's going on here. How do you jump out of your thing, mate? Have you got a cover on that? Have you? It's cover on.
No. Oh, I do actually, yeah.
Okay, so just jump out of here. You jump out of it. It's different to mine.
Good question. Maybe. Hang on.
So go back to your...
That is a good question. How the fuck do we? Hang on, I'll stop the camera. Okay, that's focused.
Okay. Tracking.
Active track?
Active track, that's it. Okay, so do me.
Oh, that's very good.
Draw a box around me.
Draw a box around you. Stand by. Okay. So I click you?
Just come a bit closer.
Yeah, I see you. Go, it says. Wow,
It's
green
got
box, yeah.
Is it, did you
It's
hit
got
go?
a, yeah.
Okay, so...
Oh, hang on, I'll start the camera. And you look like your mum, Meow. Look, there's Teddy's tail. See? You're live streaming right around the world. People could see you if they wanted. What do you think about that? Yeah, all right. There you go. You can look back, watch the replay on Teddy's vlogging cat. Okay, here we go. Come on. Well, this is a spontaneous little one for Teddy the vlogging cat. Because she's come up, she's all smoochy. And she said we haven't done a vlog for ages. So this is a spontaneous one for little Ted, who's been smooching away here after I've had a swim. Yeah, well, keep in shot then, Ted. You want to be on the camera. Hey? Kids next door swimming in their pool. Oh, yeah. Well, say what you want to the audience. Hey? You were talking a minute ago. Hey? She's such a good little cat. Aren't you? You feel a bit better? Is that a bit better? Hey? Teddy. Is that a bit better? Got another smooch? Yeah? Alright, well here. We'll fit one more smooch in for the people. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. See, now you've got a special dedicated to you video. When we put it on YouTube, you've seen Teddy the vlogging cat appear in random videos of mine in the past. Hey? Well, this is her, like, when she's relaxing and being a vlogging cat. Yeah. Oh, is it a bit better? She said, oh, my fur's molting off because it's summer here in Australia. Yeah, well, you're very close up, Ted. You know I'm leaning on the cigarette packet as a tripod here. Yeah, but it'll be okay, won't it? Hey? It'll be okay. It'll be good enough. Hey? That's not an artistic one. Hey? Will we tell the people what we've got in mind for another video? Hey? The one about the lemon juice killing flies that I discovered today? We won't tell them yet, alright. Yeah, you've got to stay in shot though. Hey? Yeah. Alright, well how long do you want to make this video? Hey? Well, alright, how long do you want to make it? It can't be an epic. Hey? Will that be enough? A little bit more? Oh, still smooching. Teddy, I don't know if this would be classed as YouTube content or not. It's a bit silly. What do we call it? Teddy the vlogging cat? Yeah, she said that'd be okay. Phew, all those furs, Teddy. Will that be enough? Alright, you address your fur. Well, that's Teddy the vlogging cat. Oh. Alright, you got an itch you shouldn't have, I just fleed you. Will that be enough for a video? Will it be okay? Alright, that should be enough. Okay? Alright, feel a bit better? Okay, you join me on my next proper vlog. Yeah. Go check out the people in the pool next. That's it. Right, she's happy. There she goes. Right. Yeah, alright. Come on, Teddy. Come on. Good girl. Cheers.